4 to 5 students were injured when a bus belonging to NIT Agartala bearing number TR01B1385 met with an accident at NIT Chakbasta area on Wednesday morning. However, the other passengers inside the bus narrowly escaped. On Wednesday morning, 4 students were injured when a bus belonging to NIT Agartala met with an accident due to a mechanical fault in the bus. The accident occurred at NIT Chakbasta area. The injured in the accident were taken to GB hospital for treatment immediately after the accident. According to the witness, the condition of the injured is not that serious. However, the rest of the passengers inside the bus were not harmed in this accident. According to an eyewitness, the accident occurred when the bus lost control and plunged into the pond due to mechanical failure.
তো সেরকম ধরনের কেউ নাই, এটা একটা বাস ডিরেলড হয়েছে। আপনি দেখতেই পাচ্ছেন ওই যে পুশরোডটা যা আছে না মেকানিক্যাল ফেলারে, তো লাকিলি ঈশ্বরের কৃপায় সেরকম কিছু হয়েছে না। মাইনর স্ক্র্যাচ যারা তাদেরকে হাসপাতালে লোকাল হাসপাতালে পাঠানো হয়েছে।
কয়জন স্যার এরকম মাইনর?
আপাতত 4 জনের খবর পাওয়া গেছে।
On the other hand, the students who were injured were Ika Mazumdar, aged 23, Shankar Das, aged 62, Abhishek Singh, aged 24, and Tamanna Das Talukdar, aged 20. Meanwhile, there was a hue and cry in the area surrounding the incident. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.